Hey budgeters, welcome back to the Modest Money channel. Today I'm excited to share my thoughts on Monarch Money, a platform that promises to simplify financial management by putting all your accounts and investments in one place. If you've ever found yourself bouncing between apps or websites to keep track of bills, investments, and budgets, trust me, I've been there. Then Monarch might be exactly what you need to get organized and take control of your money. If you budget with your partner, Monarch Money has a lot to offer. Keep watching to see if it is what you are looking for and for my Monarch Money promo code. Let's start with a little background info. Monarch Money was founded by Val Agostino, and the goal was simple: make it easy for people like us to get a full picture of their financial life. What really caught my attention is how it connects with over 11,000 banks and financial institutions. Personally, I hate wasting time logging into multiple apps to track my spending, so the fact that Monarch syncs everything in real time is a huge plus for me. Whether you're tracking savings, credit cards, or even your investments, it's all there on one clean dashboard. The budgeting tools Monarch offers are honestly some of the best I've seen. You can create custom categories that match your financial goals, whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or just staying on top of everyday expenses. I also like that you can invite a partner to join, making it perfect for couples trying to manage joint finances. My partner and I tried it, and having a shared view of our finances made goal setting so much smoother. With custom budgeting categories and spending alerts, Monarch Money helps you stay on track. The app flags when you overspend, making it easier to adjust without guilt. I found this feature super helpful to avoid surprises at the end of the month. One thing I really like is the joint account feature. It lets couples or partners see and manage their combined finances without needing to change banks. My partner and I tried it, and it made coordinating bills and savings goals so much easier. Monarch Money goes beyond budgeting by offering investment tracking tools. You can view your portfolio's performance, check asset allocations, and track growth, all in this one app. In my opinion, it is great to have everything from checking accounts to investments in one place. It just makes keeping track so much easier. Okay, now I want to get into the pricing. Monarch Money offers a free trial to test things out. And here's the deal. If you use the Monarch Money promo code WELCOME, you'll get 30% off your first year. If you choose to pay annually, it will only cost you $5.83 per month. I've looked at many budgeting apps, and this is one of the best values. If you're looking for an all-in-one financial tool with great budgeting, investment tracking, and couple management features, I think Monarch Money is definitely worth trying. It's easy to use, secure, and packed with features to simplify your finances. Don't forget to use the Monarch Money coupon WELCOME for 30% off your first year. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more financial tips. Happy budgeting!